Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. Another pop song for you today, for you to learn. You Got the Love by Florence and the Machine. Starts off G minor. Okay, I just remembered the reverb is too high. Okay, that's much better. There we go. G minor is our first chord. Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. Down to F. And we go to C. I know I can count on you. Alright, that's again 3 chords. G minor. There it is. Here's F. That's F. And here's C. That's just how I'm playing it. I'm putting the G in down here. I like the chords to sound full, so I'm using 4 notes. You can just play them 3 notes, but I like to make them sound as full as possible. Bigger sound. G minor, F, C. Okay, here we go. Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you. And again. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you got the love I need to see me through. Excuse me. Just need a drink. Much better. Just had some peanut butter on toast, so just makes your throat a little dry sometimes. But that's okay, I love peanut butter. We're going to carry on. Sometimes I feel like the Lord is just too rough. And things go wrong no matter what I do. Same 3 chords, round and round. Now and then it seems like life is just too much. But you got the love I need to see me through. Okay, on the C, a lot of the time it goes to the 4 on the C and there's a little turn. You got the love I need to see me through. You got the love I need to see me through. It's just a way of getting back to that G minor. Rhythm there, so instead of just holding them, you can play with a bit of rhythm. So when friends are gone, you are my daily need. When friends are gone, I know my take on love is real. You know it's real. 'Cause you got the love. You got the love. You got the love. That's the chorus. You've got the love. You've got the love. And you've got the love. Back to the verse. Time after time I think, oh Lord, what's the use? Time after time I think it's just no good. 'Cause sooner or later in life the things you love you lose. But you got the love I need to see me through. You got the love, chorus. You got the love. 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 For some reason it's left out the minor symbol there on that G. I'm wondering if in the actual song it does strangely go to G major. Just for one time. I mean, when I play the song I never do, but you can listen to the song and find out if it ever does actually change that G to a major instead of a minor. It's not a huge change. I mean, it is a different sound, but you could get away with it even as a mistake. Unless you've got a guitarist playing the minor and you're playing the major, and then it would clash. Anyway, you got the love, you got the love, you got the love I need to see me through. The chorus. The verse comes back in for one more time. Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air. And I know I can count on you. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. But you got the love I need to see me through. That's it. It's a 3 chord song. Very Very easy, nice and simple. You Got the Love is an easy song. If you want to add that to your list, part of your pop set, like it is on mine, it's a great one. You can chuck it in any time. People know it. Not a crowd, not always a crowd, you know, a crowd pleaser, but not always a huge song. Depends how you play it. You could do an arrangement. We used to put some solos in, of course, so we get to that G minor again, maybe at the end of the song or somewhere in the middle. Something like that anyway. A little solo there for you at the end on You've Got the Love. Next up on this pop set, number 5, song 5 is Cannonball by Damien Rice. Still a little bit of your taste. Alright, it's a beautiful song. That's going to be next up, but if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel. There will be more songs coming, and you want to be there for all of them. So please click subscribe if you like the channel, you like the content, you like the... I hate the word content, but anyway, so vague. If you enjoy these piano tutorials, I hope you did, and I'll see you in the next one, and see you there. And thanks again on Between the Keys. Goodbye.